Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Heather and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be tackling my daughter's room. So on top of the weekly cleaning, changing sheets, dusting, vacuuming, that kind of thing, every couple months I like to go through her room, go through her clothes. Well, really with her clothes, it's more like every 6 months, but I kind of go through and I see what fits her, what no longer fits her, what's kind of beat up that might need to be donated or tossed. And then I also go through her toys that hang out in her room, stuffed animals, stuff like that. Make sure everything's organized and in order. So I'm going to start off by stripping her sheets and washing them and then folding and put away some of her laundry. Next up is a general cleanup of her room. So instead of using that little bin as a hamper, I've been using it to put her stuffed animals and her dolls that we keep upstairs. And it just helps keep things super organized. So in general, everything that doesn't fit in this little bin, like stuffed animals, dolls, or in that kitchen behind me to the right, everything else will be moved downstairs to her playroom, and then I will put it away down there and organize it. So moving on to the toy kitchen in her room, I like to clean that out and organize everything into food groups. And I also like to spray everything down, give it a really good wipe. And anything that's damaged or broken, those toys, I will just go ahead and throw out. So once everything is picked up and cleaned, I like to go through her clothes and kind of see the sizes. So what no longer fits her, she's moving into like 4T now, and the 3Ts are all too small. So I like to go through everything and take out anything that's too small and set it aside, because later on I'm going to show you how I organize Once the closet is completed, I do follow the same technique and I go through her dresser drawers, and anything that's too small, I go ahead and I set it aside. And lastly, once I have all of the clothes out that no longer fit her, that she's grown out of, I go ahead and I pull out the bins, and I like to label them. These ones are clearly labeled 3T, and I store, typically I'll split it up by group. So it'll be like the summer 3s and then the winter 3s. And then I also have a bin for the shoes that she's grown out of. And I love using these plastic bins for clothes and other things too, because they're see-through. You can see exactly what's in them. I picked up this 3-pack from Costco, I believe for under $15, so it's a really good deal. While I'm waiting for her sheets and her comforter to be washed and dried, I go ahead and I move on to vacuuming her room, and then I finish up by dusting. In today's case, the timing worked out perfect for when the sheets were washed and dried. By the time I got through going through all of her items, sorting everything, getting rid of certain things and pulling out the stuff that no longer fit her, the sheets and the comforter were dry and all set and good to go. And down below, I will go ahead and link to some of the furniture and the storage and the decor items from her room, whatever I can find in case you are interested. And that's going to complete today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this and you found it helpful and you got some ideas on organizing and just how to, go about cleaning up and storing items away for your kids. So that is it. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and definitely leave me a comment down below. If you're new, say hi, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.